Hello and welcome to JJ Automation. I am your friend Janice. In this video, we are going to set up Cypress so that we can start using it. But before set up Cypress, we have a prerequisite. To use it, we need to work with modern JS that includes Node.js and NPM. If you have not installed Node.js yet, it's time to do so. Please install Node.js from Node.js site. You can find the link down in the description. From here, you can download the Node.js. Depend on your OS, you can download the installations. But if you have already installed Node.js, ensure that the version is equal or greater than version 8. Let's see how. Open command prompt and type cmd. Over here, type node version. So I have version 10.16.3, which is fine. Any version above 8, it's fine. Now npm comes with the Node.js, so you don't have to install it. Now it's time to install the IDE. It's a good idea to have an IDE. Now VS Code means Visual Studio Code is a preferable IDE for the Cypress project. If you have a different editor, then it's fine. I'll be using the VS Code. You can download it from their official website, and I will be sharing the link in the description. Now it's time to install the Cypress. So let's create our project folders. You can create the folder from a command prompt or a Windows Explorer. So I will be using the command prompt folder. I will create my project inside the JJ Automation, and I will make a folder name as a Cypress training. Now we can go inside that project folder via cd cypress training. Now let's create a package.json file. How you can create the package.json file? So for that, we need to type an npm command, npm init y. This will create the package.json files, which is initialize our folder is ready to accept the npm commands. So over here we can see that the package.json file has been created with these configurations. Now from here I will be working inside the VS Code. Now we are in the VS Code. We have a Cypress training folders and only one file is there, the package.json. Let's install the Cypress. For that, we need to open a terminal. So from the terminals, you can open a new terminals. From here, you can type npm command. Name is npm install Cypress. Save. Just click on enter. This will install Cypress desktop and a Cypress CLI. Cypress Desktop is a GUI that can be used to run the test in a browsers, and a Cypress CLI helps you to run tests in a headless mode. It might take a while. So now we have installed the latest version of Cypress, which is currently 4.7. Now let's open a Cypress Desktop app with the command, which is npx cypress open. When we execute this command, first time it will create a folder structure for us. Right now we don't have any Cypress folders in our project, but this command will create the Cypress folder for us with the folder structure. See, you can see over here on the left hand side we got a Cypress folder now, and over here we have a Cypress desktop. So Cypress will give us some example folders that contains the example script to work with the Cypress. So just click on OK, got it, and we have the list of all the test cases, or you can say all the spec files which are under the testing integration folders. And from here you can select the browsers on which browser you want to execute your script. We can see later how we can execute this spec from the Cypress GUI. Let's open the Cypress folders. We have 4 folders, but among that the most important one is the integration folders. This is where we are going to write our test spec files. It gives you example script to start with Cypress. Let's delete these example folders right now, so it won't restrict us. Now there is no spec files over here. Now we are ready to write our first test, which we will start doing in our next video. Thank you.